Bless you. Oh yeah, and all the flags there too. Oh, it's like, oh, that's like wrapping, vinyl wrapping. So this is where you come and get your bike serviced? Yeah, like valve adjustment, stuff like that. Charge. And they charge too much? Yes. Oh man, like, I love the canopy. I wish we could close the road, put the bikes under there, take photos, you know? So now we're in like a mechanic. It's like your typical mechanic shop here in India. And this is an R15. We don't have these. What is this?
This is that's Jahangir Bhai, the owner of the shop.
Hello, hello. Nice to meet you.
Snowcat on the way from Canada.
Nice shirt. The sarcasm is strong. Like there's no lifts, no nothing. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. So like in my country, like the people that can't ride, the squids, they ride. Everyone rides the Gixxer. It's like a squid machine. Yeah, we have this bike. We have this bike. Don't have that one.
Yeah, the RD350 we were talking about. You don't recognize that bike, but yeah, that's back there.
The blue one?
I don't think you've seen.
No, we don't have that one. No.
But it's one of the first sports bikes in India.
We don't have an RS200. What's this?
That's, I was talking to you.
Pulsar?
EBR 111.
Yeah.
This is the one, but it's got a 200cc.
All right, so we're gonna go to some like tight lanes now. Apparently, sounds good to me. Now there's no U-turn for me. I just spin the old bitch. Hello.
Turn right. Follow me.
And this is 2 lanes here. Ay, ay, ay. Okay guys, so this right here is like a typical like bike shop like in India where they have like all the bike markets, and if you go inside too you can have a look. They sell wheels and HID systems and like fake exhaust. So like for example, this SC project is not real, the Counterfeit copy is not real, and they do like things for the fenders, like ornaments and stuff. Of course, we just leave our lids here because Zohair knows everyone. Found the KTM keychain, all the lights, LED. Look, we can pick up girls now. We have the
Sari.
yeah. So everyone stares at me because I'm a white guy. Plus we got our cameras out. Plus we're talking to ourselves. So you're crazy.
Get this kind of fun back
No, they don't have. They don't have
on the cob.
Yeah, not like this. Not in the middle of a road. Like maybe if you go to the country.
Store
So you don't have Michelin, Pirelli, Metzler. Flinching is for the fail, wavering for the weak, tattering for trivial, skidding for the shaky, quivering is for the conquered, zapper is for me. What's zapper? Oh, it's the tire. Ah, the tire. Zapper. Okay, so we've been invited inside now. We'll check it out. Tell the tire situation. It's like a touring tire. It's very like flat. That's weird. What brand? See it?
See it.
See it? Yeah, see it. So they do have Pirellis here. They're hiding, but there they are. Very rare, I'm sure. And this one looks like a Metzler right here, right?
The good tires we should hide on this.
Yes. So no one steals it? Hello. Yes, you are very friendly. How do I say hello in your language? Assalamu alaikum. Is that good?
Yeah, so how are you gonna say hi to me?
Assalamu alaikum. That's dope. Are we going this way straight? I want to move out of the way a little bit. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, these guys heard me yell. Whoops. Bless you. Oh, the guy heard me. He went by, he sneezed as he went by. I'm like, bless you. He looked over his shoulder. Oh, you got some crap in your chain. Okay. Nice work. This is insane, guys. I can't really talk because I have to pay attention. Welcome to Hyderabad! Assalamu alaikum, Hyderabad! This is crazy, man. It's like, look at this. This guy's pushing his cart in the fast lane. Man, these little bikes are great, man. Those guys are crazy, man. You're... yeah. Yeah, look at him go. Oh man, that's crazy seeing that in the daytime. Yeah. Oh man, that's cool to see that. That's crazy, man. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's so cool. You got the Indian flag right there. What's up? Yeah.